Virginia. Hope you like this. This is a cool one. I've been dancing 29 years. One of my all-time favorites. Show 2, sugar push. 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. It's a whip with a check. Check whip is very cool. And it's very leadable, slow, fast. Show you how to do it. First on the sugar push. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull her in. To her right, turn her. 1, 2, anchor, 3 and 4. Guys, off the track on 2. Get back on it with your left foot weighted by 4. So we're going to go this way just so you can see that part. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'm on the track. Her right foot is between my legs, not necessarily right under it, but pointing between my legs. So from here, we can get to 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the key for this next part is 5, 6. My right hand is going to turn her 5, 6. So you're actually bringing her up onto her left foot, giving her a little twist, but then putting her back on that foot. So let's go back this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Okay, she's on her right foot. Her left foot will be coming down, but you want to go pivot. It's like a rock step, but it's a check. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Guys, you're still on the track. This time she's going to do a 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Guys, you back up, off to her left side. Give her a prep, because that's how you're going to end the move. So you're going to come through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock, step, triple, step. Her weight on my left, my right. Turn her left, triple, triple. Okay, we're going to do a little bit faster so you can see that. So come through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. Bring her forward. Turn her through. The move is done. Okay, we're going to go this way. The check is the key. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6. Bring her forward, off track. Center through. Okay, it's a very cool move. The lead for this, though, the key is 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So guys, good resistance in your shoulders. 5, 6. Under her left arm, under her ribs, you give her that push, because when you get to 4, 5, 6, then you send it through. Everything works after that. It's a very cool move. One of my all-time favorites. Hope it becomes one of yours as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, free. It helps me out. You wouldn't know. Until next time, have a great week. Thank you for watching. Until then,
keep dancing.
Bye-bye.